What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a little short on footage. I don't know what the heck happened. I had it on the wrong drive. My drive crashed, so I lost about 90% of the footage that I took, but I did happen to get some footage of wrapping my brother's car. I do want to say though, if you're wrapping for the first time, I wouldn't recommend trying this film. It's very, very hard to work with, especially the fact that it does not stretch. It's meant for stickers, like little window stickers, you know, something that like your Instagram name or something on the back of your windshield. It's not really made to be going on cars like that. It was very difficult, but we got it to work. But anyways, before we get into the video, if you want to see what I'm going to be doing to this Lambo behind me, make sure you go smash the subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, that way you don't miss this. This is going to be something crazy. It's going to look great. Anyways, let's get on with the video.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I wanna say goodbye.
Riders, right where they
All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did actually end up putting a wing on the car. I'll show you guys that real quick. Anyways, that's what we did with the wing. Lighting's not the best right now, but we ended up having to spray wrap this because it's just there was no way we were gonna get this color on that because it doesn't stretch. And then we did this in carbon. Anyways, guys, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the car. Do you like it? Do you think it should be a different color? Do you not like the chrome? Do you not like the color changing? What do you think? Anyways, it was an insanely hard car to wrap. It took a very long time. So I hope most of you guys like it. But for the most part, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you smash a like, subscribe, give me your feedback below. And if you wanna see what's happened to this car, make sure you turn on those post notifications. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll see you later.